Right guys, so we've just fitted our recirc valve. For this video, it's only going to be a short video. We're just going to change the pipe that comes off your turbo for a hard pipe, because they ordered one from NTC which was £45. So we're going to change that quickly, and then yeah, so we're actually changing this pipe here that we took off to fit the recirc valve, which is down there. So the thing you want to do is just undo this Jubilee clip and undo them two 10mm down there. And then from there, what you want to do is literally just pull it off there and twist it out of it. So yep, so we got that off. So when you change this round, there'll be this rubber, see that green rubber in there? Make sure you put it on your new pipe. So this is new pipe that's going on. So then what I'd do first, if I'd tighten these two 10mm and then sort out how far you want it going on, and then tighten your Jubilee clip. So now you see where this joins here, you've got like a little bolt. You just want to work out how much you want this on, because, well, I suppose if we undo this, right guys, so all I'm doing now is sorting out how much I want this rubber pipe to go onto the new hard pipe. I think it is actually supposed to sit like that, to be honest, so I might just leave it like that. Yeah, I'm just going to leave it like that, so I'm just going to pull it off a bit. Slack. We'll tighten it now. So yeah guys, there you have it. Really easy job to do. It's gone on there. That looks kind of nice.